Okay, number 9. I'm going to draw my parentheses. And my factors of 5 is just 1 and 5. So we're going to say 1 and 5, A and A. Okay, and then we got a 4. So we got 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Okay, and let's try the 2 and 2 this time because I feel like it's always 2 and 2. But watch it not be this time. Who knows? Okay, so we're going to put 2 and 2. We're going to check the outer. It's going to be 2A. And the inner is going to be 10A. And that's not going to work. Of course not. Okay, now, when you have something like this, 2 and 2, you don't need to flip-flop this 2 and 2 because it's going to be the same thing. Okay, but when we have like 1 and 4, they're different numbers. So you got to try 1, then 4, then 4, then 1. Okay, so 2 and 2 is not going to work. So we can say 1, then 4. Okay, well, check the outer. It's going to give you 4A, and the inner is going to give you 5A. Okay, so in order to get a plus 9, I'm going to say plus plus. Okay, 11, draw your 2 parentheses. Okay, and if I'm going too fast, pause it and while I'm scrolling. We got 1 and 5, XX, and I got an 8. So I got 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Okay, so same thing, kind of pick. Okay, and I'm going to go with, we'll try 2, then 4, I feel like. Okay, so we're going to check the outer and the inner. It's going to give you 10x. Well, okay. How could a 10 and a 4 ever give me a negative 6? Okay, well, it's going to have to be a minus plus. So up here, it's going to be minus plus. Some of these two you can kind of look at and imagine. Like if you would put an 8 here, we always do the inner. 8 times 5 is 40. That's way too far from 6. So you can kind of like think ahead. So definitely some of you guys that are, we'll call you deeper thinkers. Okay, you can look and put an 8 here and be like, man, that would give me 40. That's probably not right. But if I put a 1 there, that gives me 5. That's pretty close. Okay, so you can kind of, it's called guess and check, but it is more like an educated guess. Okay, meaning that you're not picking like the number 1,000,000. Okay, you're picking a number that makes sense. Okay, 13, you got draw your parentheses, and we got 1 and 2, x and x. Okay, for the 9, we got 1 and 9, 3 and 3. Okay, so this is what I was saying, like if you put the 9 right here, 9 times 2 is going to be 18. And so 18 is pretty far from 9. So I wouldn't do 9, then 1. I would definitely start with 9, 1, and then 9. But in this case, I'm going to pick 3 and 3. Okay, we're going to check the outer. 1 times 3 is 3x. The inner is going to be 6x. Okay, a 3 and a 6, how can I get a positive 9? Okay, well, it could be plus, plus. So we say plus, plus. Okay, real quick, let me look at the sheet and make sure. Remember, we are not doing anything with the equal 0 today. All yours look fairly easy, so take your time. I at least want you to try some, okay? I'm well aware some of you guys might be a little confused and overwhelmed. Most people are on the first day of this topic, but at least try to get them, okay? Tomorrow we'll be doing the same thing, but I'm not going to go nearly as slow because I went pretty slow today, okay? You only have 7 to do, and that's why I want you to just try some, okay? And I will see you guys tomorrow.